Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Etsy seller settings for 1099K readiness, complete guide step by step clearly. To prepare your Etsy shop for 1099K reporting, start by logging into your Etsy account. Once logged in, navigate to your shop manager. From the shop manager, select the settings option. In the settings menu, click on finances. Now, go to the payment account tab. Check that your bank account information is up to date and accurate. Next, ensure that your tax identification details are filled in correctly. You will need to provide either your social security number or employer identification number. Make sure to review your seller profile information. It's important that your name and address match your tax documents. This will help avoid any discrepancies when filing your taxes. Now, return to the Finances section and select Taxes. Familiarize yourself with Etsy's tax policies and obligations. Consider consulting a tax professional for tailored advice based on your situation. Once reviewed, ensure you have set up the necessary sales tax settings for your state. Head back to the settings and click on Billing. Verify that your payment settings are correct for direct deposits. This ensures you receive payments smoothly as you reach the $600 threshold. Now, check your sales history to anticipate your income for the year. Keep track of sales that might contribute to exceeding the reporting threshold. If you have multiple states or jurisdictions, make sure you are compliant with each. Finally, review Etsy's resources regarding 1099K requirements. These resources will provide you with the latest updates and best practices. With these steps completed, you are now prepared for 1099K readiness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.